These are the parking elevators at LaSalle Plaza in downtown Minneapolis. Otis. Hydros. Go down to P3. Here's your COP, EPCO WGH buttons with an 88 phone, 3,000 pound capacity. So they're nice cabs, even though they're kind of basic at the same time. But I like them. LaSalle. Here at P3. Whoa, that's a long hallway down here. Skyway. Let's listen to the motor, here we go. That didn't sound too good. Let's see if we can't get the other one. There it goes. I just heard it. It says Adams WGH out here. There's what the building looks like. Here it is. Take that P3. So it's a different beep, probably replaced. It's funny, the S is a backward Z. That's actually kind of annoying. Pretty much the same as the other one. I don't know why these cabinets look like they're open. That's Otis. Let's watch the button go out. Let's see how this one runs. Wow, that's pretty. Skyway. Here we go. Much better. This one's way better than the other one. You know, that beast's more annoying. Alright, well, there it goes. And that'll be it.